this Joe Pass riff. So it's a 1-6-2-5. I'm substituting C6 or C major 7 with E minor 11. I'm going to A, which is the 6. I play an altered chord there. So I've got G, C sharp, F, and B flat. And then I'm hitting C, which is our sharp 9 there. Then I'm playing just moving that figure down a half step to create a D dominant 9 chord there. And then I'm substituting that D9 with an A flat 7, just the root 7th and 3rd there. And then I'm half stepping down to G, which is my 5 chord. And I'm hammering on with that 13th there, which is the E. Then I'm playing D flat, which is the tritone sub of G. My open G string, I go into a C major 9, hit that high E string, walk down to the note A, which is our 6. Then I'm going to play a A7 with a flat 9 in first inversion, C sharp in the bass on its own, then the rest of the chord, and then I move that up a minor 3rd because you can do that with diminished chords. Then D minor 11 with a little melodic embellishment there. Another A flat, which is substituting for that D7 there. And then again, G7 hammering on the 13th.